Special Orlando Pirates squad number available, big signing loading. But before I continue, guys, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for more updates. Orlando Pirates have let go of 3 senior players as they look to upgrade their playing personnel before the Betway Premiership season. Paseka Mako, Miguel Team and Thabiso Monyane have left Orlando Pirates. The club are proactive, looking at options in the market, including Tepo Mashuluwane and Masindi Namtejela. Paseka Mako, Miguel Team and Thabiso Monyane are no longer with the Siropas. As a result, numbers 29, 4 and 2 are available to be handed to new signings. Most Buccaneers fans will remember that jersey number 4 once belonged to the great Happy Jail, who's got big enough footsteps to fill it next. Could Namtejela be the next number 4? Orlando Pirates have moved quickly to secure a replacement for the departed Miguel Team. 23-year-old Masindi Confidence Namtejela is the man. The All-Action Schema made 17 appearances for Marumo Kalanze in the league last season, scoring once, supplying 2 assists and picking up 4 bookings. With Makhetleni Makaule having signed a 1-year contract extension, a move for Namtejela is a proactive long-term solution for when Makhetleni leaves the club. His profile and style certainly fit the Jays. Is Masindi Confidence Namtejela the long-term successor to Makaule? Let us know by leaving a comment below. On the other hand, Highlanders demands 15 million from Orlando Pirates for generational star. A staggering price tag has been placed on a teenager sensation's head as Zimbabwean football officials look to maximize returns on arguable their most promising talent in a generation. As previously reported by Sokala Duma, Orlando Pirates have shown interest in winger Prince Ndlovu, who once trained with the Hongqin-based club before his failed move to Europe. A high-ranking official at Zimbabwean club with direct oversight of transfer negotiations has now indicated that Highlanders FC are believed to be asking for 15 million rands from Orlando Pirates if they are to sign the player dubbed as the next Peter Ndlovu. Highlanders FC value Prince Ndlovu, and that's why they are pricing him at around 15 million rands. For now, this price is believed to be directed at South African team Orlando Pirates because apparently they are the ones who have inquired about his services. Highlanders believe it's a fair price looking at his talent, quality and future ahead of him. A football intermediary operating across South African borders with connections to both clubs stated that the Buccaneers will face tough competition from another suitor from Europe who have been following Ndlovu's progress for some time now. Apart from Orlando Pirates, there is a European club that has been monitoring him for some time now. It's Sturm Graz from Austria Bundesliga, so that price of 15 million rands could also be influenced by the fact that there is an interest from Europe as well. The 19-year-old is currently part of the Zimbabwe national team competing at the COSAFA Cup in Bloemfontein in South Africa. The substantial asking price represents one of the highest valuations for a player coming directly from the Zimbabwean Premier Soccer League in recent years, highlighting Highlanders' belief in Ndlovu's potential. With Orlando Pirates scouts reportedly watching him at the COSAFA Cup, the Siropas will have an opportunity to assess whether the talented teenager justifies the investment. The presence of European interest adds another dimension to negotiations, potentially forcing the Buccaneers to act decisively if they want to secure the services of a player many believe could follow in the footsteps of his legendary namesake. A Soweto giant appears to be edging closer to securing a prized winger's signature, beating out both their local rivals in what could be one of the most significant attacking acquisitions of the transfer window. As previously reported by Sokala Duma, who had the first to break news of Orlando Pirates' progress and interest in Tshepang Morebi, the Buccaneers are now at an advanced stage in their hope to secure the potential signing. Insiders with connections across multiple PSL boardrooms have indicated that Morebi's move to the Buccaneers is imminent with a 3-year deal on the cards. The Brazilians and the Glamour Boys have also shown interest in the Bafana winger, but the Buccaneers are believed to have won the race. A backroom confidant at Amazulu with direct knowledge of the ongoing negotiations stated that it is believed that the involved parties have agreed on a 3-year contract which is expected to run from July 2025 to June 2028.